Commerce.
Oh, yan.
Ano?
So, pwedeng halion. May gunting kita.
Baka
kita nili day 1 pa lang. Baka kita nili.
Hello. Where's the first day?
Yeah. I-ano na lang.
Oo.
Secondary education package.
Lead na lang ha.
Kung ako mas okay nga sa Panmayo, hindi nga si Lai. Ay, big-big mo naman ata paray. Minus 10.
Saya po.
Grabe. Magayon na. Morning, sir. Bibidyo ka, sir. Morning. Mapapakol po kami. Makwapo kami, sir, from the terminal.
Dito pa nagkikipansin. Hello.
Mickey Mouse.
Ini i-click mo ni.
Para magano.
Ano yung picture.
1, 2.
Mickey Mouse and Tasky.
Ano naman?
Click mo press mo lang.
Yun na. Okay na.
Yun na?
Okay na.
Nag-ano na?
Yun na. Okay na. Ano ka na, boy?
Mabilis to pili.
Shan! Video, please smile. God. Okay na.
Ako man sa kuya.
Ano sa?
Sa inyo ba kaya? Nawalat ka pa. Bayad ka naman gano'n. Yun na?
This is the library. Like in the main campus. The vector system. The vector system. The alarm system. Okay, according to Mama Lu, you can also borrow materials here. You only have to register. Anyway, you have your clearance before you let you go. So there are materials both for your exercises. Okay, this is the ERC room. You can find here the CDs, PCBs, relevant materials, and there are computers which are you can also use this for your research relevant to your teaching. Carlo is the technician here. These are the materials. If you want to do internet research, you can. Kasi when have Benito, Miss Bahardo, Miss Medres, and then Miss Villaran. Jensai. Jensai, tapos sa taas, chemistry. Si Tini, yan. Mahina. Get all the announcements as well as the materials of the teachers. Person.
Naman.
Tama na yun.
May camera.
Para dito na lang tayo.
Malabo lang.
Inanduwa lang talaga. Bagla.
Ano yan?
Hi, ma.
Ay, saan?
Diyos ko po! Ayos, baga o. Ay, nawar kasi produkto ko ay.
Dito makikita.